Okay, so this is how you're going to be able to submit your final project to DevPost. First, you want to be able to get your source code uploaded, so make sure you have a GitHub account at github.com, and then you're going to click on making a new repo or repository by this plus button up here, and then click new repository. Go ahead and name it whatever your project is. I'm just going to say demo gross code hacks, and then you can make sure it's public so that we can see the repository. You can add a README file if you want, but it's not necessary. And then go ahead and click Create Repository. It should take you to a page that looks something like this, and you're going to go ahead and click Upload an existing file, and then get the files of your code that you want to upload as your project, and drag and drop it into there. If you're doing your project on REPL or some other kind of type of text editor that can be publicly shared, just get the link for that, like the REPL link, and you can submit that for your project. But if you have the files like stored on your desktop or on your computer, you should be uploading your source code through like GitHub. And then you can click Commit Changes. And then if you're doing a GitHub pages, make sure you're able to set that up by going to the pages section of the settings page in your GitHub repository and set that up. But for the purpose of just showing how you can get your source code, this is how you do that. So you go to your code, go to code, and then just copy this link here. That'll give us your GitHub. Okay, so then you're going to go to DevPost and you're going to create your project. And if you have teammates, make sure that you invite them so that we know who's on your team. But for the purpose of the demo, we're just going to skip this. Fill out all this information, whatever your project name is, whatever your elevator pitch is. Write about your story. Talk about what you built it with. And then here for this try it out link, just paste that GitHub link into there. And then for your video demo link, you're going to go ahead and paste your YouTube demo video on here. You can, if you don't feel comfortable posting your YouTube video to the public, just make it unlisted, but make sure that we're able to view it. Otherwise, we won't be able to judge your project. Then go ahead and click Save and Continue. Let me just briefly fill this out. Okay. Once you do that, all you have to do is